Hello everyone, in this Python tutorial I'm going to show you how to read names from a txt file. So in my project I have a folder called name search demo. Inside that folder I'm going to create a file called search.py and another file called names.txt, and I'm going to put some random names. Now let's return back to the Python file, and I'm going to create a method called search name. And I'm going to create two variables. One is called again. This will ask the user if they want to enter another name. They can press Y for yes, or they can press any other button to exit the program. Now let's do an index, initialize it to 0. This will keep track of the names in the list. And now let's open the file by doing with open names.txt. And we're going to open in read mode since we're just reading the contents and as a file. And let's read the contents by doing contents equal file.read lines. This will read all the names in the file and put it into a list. We're going to verify that it is a list by printing contents out. And let's call the method. And let's run the program. As you can see, our names are in the list, and you can also notice that it has the \ns. We don't want that, so I'm going to show you how to remove all those \ns in the program. Let's go back up here and remove that print statement. Let's do a while loop saying while again equals capitalized Y, or again equals lowercase y. What we can do is say name equals, and we ask the user to input a name, so enter a name. And sometimes the user might enter a capitalized name, and if we want to convert it to a lowercase, since all our names in the file is lowercase, what we can do is name equals name dot lower. Now let's do another while loop saying while index is less than the length of the list. We can do contents index equals contents index dot strip the \ns. So it takes off all the \ns in the list, and then we just increment the list by 1. After that, we can do an if name is in the list. We can say print name is in the list. Else if it's not in the list, what we can do is say print name is not in the list. And if the user wants to enter another name, we can do again equals input, press Y to search again. But if the user doesn't want to enter another name, we can do we can notify the user that they're exiting the program. Alright, now let's test out the program. Let's do python search.py. It's asking us to enter a name. Let's enter John. It says John is in the list. Let's verify it. He's in the list. Now let's enter another name. Let's say Kent. But let's press Y first. And let's do his name as capitalized. Okay, it says he's in the list. And let's enter some name that's not in the list, like this. Okay, that's not in the list. And let's press no to exit the program. Alright. Now, so that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.